Hi, part two. So when this is drained enough so that most of the liquid is gone or a little liquid is left, this is the part that can get some kind of messy. So I turn it back upside down and I have this container now is what I'm going to strain the grains from. Now sometimes there's a little bit left in this strainer and I don't like to lose any of my good cultures, so I just clean this off and put it there. And then the liquid that's left in this bowl, I just throw it away, but that's what Tommy will use to make his bone broth and stuff. You just put it in the refrigerator. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less clear. And then you just take this with the spatula I gave you and you put it in this next little strainer, and bit by bit you just stir it around and you see the yogurt falls from the bottom. And the Greek yogurt, you can leave it even longer, make it thicker. But that, what you're looking at is about 24 hours of my grain. And I just stir it around, stir it around, stir it around. Sometimes I smack the bottom because it gets, if it's real thick, it gets stuck to the bottom. And if you stir it around, they're very sturdy, these grains, you can't hurt them. So then when it looks like that, you just add more until all of it is out of the jar. Takes a minute sometimes, but I usually do this while I'm waiting for my green beans to heat up for lunch, or like I'm doing this now. I would normally wait till lunch, but I want to go out, so I'm kind of rushing it a little bit. I wanted to make the video. Okay, so this one's done too, and then I just scrape the bottom of the strainer if there seems like there's a lot stuck there, because this, I like a Greek yogurt because I mix it with my fruit. I don't want to drink it, I just want to eat it. And so the last little bit in here will go in here. Now because these grains multiply so fast, you really don't have to get every one. You just want to get the bulk of it. And so the jar still looks pretty gross, dirty, with stuff stuck to it, but I'm done. Now here you have, if you have more than one jar, you can start another, you can put it in another jar. I just keep using the same jar, and this is how much I have left. It's about a tablespoon, and this is just what I had from yesterday. So what I'm going to do is rinse my jar out a little bit. You should not use soap. I just use hot water or cold water. I just use a little water and just clean it a little bit, because you can see there's still stuff stuck to the bottom. I throw that back in. I make sure all the yogurt is gone from my strainer. This goes in the fridge just like this, ready to use for your smoothie, or you can use this for sauces, or if you make tzatziki or any of those kinds of things. And then that is ready to go for tomorrow. So I'm just going to fill it with milk, loosely put the cap on, and put it over there out of my way and let it do its thing. So now I have actually 2 days worth of yogurt here. I usually have 2 or 3 days worth, so that like if I go to Jesse's overnight, I can just take one container and then I just can pitch the container. So that's as easy as it is. If you have any questions, please call. I'm going to actually try and post this to my YouTube channel, but I don't know how to make 2 videos into one. I'll see if I can work that out. But I hope you love this stuff because it makes you feel so good. And especially if you're already taking probiotics, this will jumpstart them. So the biomes in here create the biomes in your system, so that when you eat yogurt or eat a probiotic, it feeds that biome system. And there's so many videos online that are better than the one I just created. But enjoy. Love you. Bye.